This is Techmotion's website. So basically what we can do is we can go and look at any product and we can add those to Pinterest just like that. So I'm gonna go to, let's go to Livestrong, and I'm gonna look at that product, right? So we had a tread belt there. I'm gonna click on the tread belt, and right, so everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and post that to Pinterest. Right, so I'll get this little pop-up here, and it's asking me for a board. So I'm gonna put it into exercise equipment parts, and I'll save that, and it's done. So if we go to see now, right, it's showing up on Pinterest without having to go to Pinterest and try to find a product and copy the link. All of that, it's done automatically. So basically, if I click on the link here, it will take me back to the product. So it's an easier way of linking to the products from the website.